Okay, this here we'll be using the MACD here, and all we're going to be doing is getting in when the MACD's crossing. Here you see how the green line crosses the red. That's the MACD. Okay, right here you see again the green coming down crossing there, and then you're getting in. Only thing differently we're going to do once you cross over, if you get in right here and the red doesn't drop down, and then it gets down to the end of the 5 second, because these are 5 second in and out. When we in and out of 5 seconds, these are also 5 second candles. So say if you got in at this red here and it didn't drop down like this, if it drops down there, then yeah, you're gonna get maybe about $96 because, or $91 here, 50 cents. So you're gonna get probably about a $41.50 gain. If that goes, it's an 83% gain. So that's if it goes correctly. But say what happens if this red doesn't drop down. So then I put in one spot here, and then as it's trying to climb up, I put two spots still going for red, put two red spots there to counter. And then it finally does drop down, and then you get it. One of those reds that I put in, because I said two spots, it's gonna cover for the loss of that first one, and then gain you that second one, which will give you that 41.50. So that's why the whole purpose is put in one spot here. If it wins, good. If it bounces back up, then you put two spots. And so I did this here for roughly 5 minutes every time it crossed. And then within 6 minutes, it was a gain, I think around 588 in 6 minutes, and that's $588 in 6 minutes. So we're gonna let it play and just let you see how it worked. Okay, right there it crossed. So I had got in, saying that it's gonna go up. Let's see if it goes up. Okay, it failed, so I put in two more times right there, and then it did go past at that time. And so now I got 183. Okay. Now we're gonna watch again here. It's building up, and we're gonna wait to see when it get ready to cross. And then I'll let you know when I get in. Okay, now I got in right there. Okay. I said it will go down. It didn't go down there, but then up here I put in two up there saying that it will go down. It did go down. Now I got 185 to cover that again. Okay. So here we're waiting for it, like it's gonna cross. Okay, now for sure it's crossed, because even you see the red building down there, so that's why I put a red up here again. Okay, that one worked on the first time, so I didn't need to back up, but I did accidentally put the backup in, and it caught it again there twice. Okay. So here again, we got the green MACD line. Here's the red price line. We're gonna be waiting for it to cross up. Okay, and then once it cross up, I got in right here. That time it won already. Okay, at 92.50. Now we're watching again as it tries to go down. And boom, I got in again because it went down. Okay, like it failed, so I got in two more times up there. And then it dropped down. And boom, it won 185 there again. So now again, it bounced back up. We're going for the green. That one won by itself without no counter. Okay, then go back down. It bounced back down, went to the red. I got in again at the red here. Okay, the red won that time without no counter. And let's see as it goes. Green. Okay, we got in green one time here. It failed, so I got in two more times down here. And as you can see, it won again, 185 to cover that. And then again, you're just gonna watch the next one that goes. And this is all getting in right when the MACD is crossing. You wait. Okay, the red is building up there. That means it's trying to cross. But you wait. Okay, now it crossed. Okay, I got in right there for the red. That one won automatically. Okay. We didn't have to use the counter that time. Now we're gonna be looking for the green to come. Here comes the green. Okay, it tried to, but then it bounced back down, so we're gonna hit counter it two more times. Two more times I hit it. That one was a win there. Okay. And we're waiting for the red to come down. I got in right there when the red came down. It went back up, so we hit it 2 more times. Got 88.50, got both of those 88.50, got those. That was a win. See how the counter is catching it if it goes the wrong way. That's the whole point of still going in the same direction, but you're hitting it twice. Okay, so the grain is going, wait. In this area here, I'm waiting because it's still got to wait till that green crosses over. Right now, that red line is dropping, and it's going to take a lot of pressure to really push it up for the green that I'm looking for. So that's why I'm just kind of waiting, because that red is hanging low. And then when I see a green, see that green right there pushing up, I got air right there. That was a win. Okay. So we waiting. Okay, it's building up right there. And then we're going to wait for the next one. We're going to wait for a red to cross down for that one. So that one tried to do a fake, but yet still I'll be looking here to see if it's actually going to cross. And then also see a red bar, momentum bar building at the bottom, especially when the red is running up high and it's good, strong green. You want to make sure that red is really going red. Okay, now that's crossing there, and I still didn't get in yet. Now I got in right there when I was sure. Now there go the red, it's there. That one won right there. Okay. And also I do got the MACD set at 1810. That's what I use for this right here, 1810. Okay. Now since it's going down. Still, like I said, you're waiting for it to cross. I'm not doing nothing until I see it look like it's about to cross up. Okay, wait. And so far, even with doing this now, you ain't seeing no losses yet. See where the green goes in, right there. Then I put 2 more down here. There it goes, it won. Right now, we look at the time. Right now is, the time is about up there. And right now I got 28:30. And let me just go back to where it was in the beginning. We started off with 22.72, and now at the end of 5 minutes and 42 seconds, which is the timer down there, say 5 minutes and 42 seconds there. Now you can see the minus 28.30. Again, I'm going to show you at the beginning. As we go to the beginning here, it was 22.72. Now we go all the way to the end of 5 minutes. That's 5 minutes and 42 seconds. Now you see that it is 28.30 just from that strategy. And none of those were punishable losses right there. Those were countering, and then you covered all your losses. Some of them just was automatic wins, but then some of them that could have went bad and then losses wasn't lost because I hit it with the counter. And again, that was in roughly about 5 minutes there, almost 6 minutes.